So we're making a figure 8 and we're gonna do it slow so you can follow along if you have the right pieces. You need about 8 of these, including this. You need 1 of these, 4 of these, and literally just 1 bridge like this. And that's all that you need. Let's get to building it. So first we put these 2 pieces together, of course. Then I put this, Really, I don't know how to build it. Definitely this goes here. I think actually, I really don't build it. I think actually these pieces go here. So, it goes like this. Okay. So just to put 4 pieces on each side. Like that. And put this like here, I guess. I'm just saying that Oh. So it's really, it goes, you can do it as whichever way you want, but it really goes like a, I'll do it. So this is what it looks like when you're almost done. So you see there's 1 gap, and let's finish it. And oh my god, like it doesn't go together. I can't fit it together. So there we go. It's all done.
Style.
Oh my god, I guess I'm show them. Return to show them. I'll be right back. So I got the 2 trains. I got this one for my birthday. And let's see if this one fits. Fits well. Let's see if this one fits. Fits. Oh, let's. I can't believe that these don't work together. I have no idea. Oh, come on. I forgot. There we go. Ooh. Oh, God, I did not know that I was going to do that. It's cool how it's like a slide on. Which, so, what the, why does it keep blowing off? Is it too sharp of a tone? Yeah, it's way too sharp of a tone.